Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Hanukkah this year, and yeah, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I got for Hanukkah was the new face covering. Like, this is the first one I like so much, the Disney villains. It's multiple of them. How cool is that? Then another thing I got was the music note mask. Then also I got was the sheep masks. And I'm sorry I forgot the paw print mask. I apologize for it because, by the way, I do like Disney villains, as a fact. So the first one I have is the Cruella De Vil. I have Cruella De Vil. I have the Evil Queen, two of them. Like, one is a witch, one is the human. Then I have Queen of Hearts. Then also I have socks, the Ursula, the unicorn beanie, because it's so cute, and I like the little pom-pom, by the way. And another thing I got was I'm going to show you the t-shirts I got. I got the Fruit Loops shirt, the Fruit Loops t-shirt, and also a shirt that says, "Chillin' like a villain." I do like the picture of them, like, with the Disney villains.
Then also I got the unicorn PJ pants, and they're like so cute and I like them so much.
Those like little like PJ shorts, and I like them. This is the sweater I got, the Grinch sweater, because you know everybody loves the Grinch. My unicorn blankie, cause I like to have a unicorn blankie, and it's so like it has a unicorn, it has a cupcake, it has a star and the moon. The star sweater, cause I like the stars on them, and this is why I like to bring the holiday spirit. The two-piece set of the tie-dye outfit. Like, this is the sweatpants and this is the hoodie. I do like them, by the way. Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette, and it smells like cinnamon rolls, by the way. And I like all the pretty little colors. It smells like cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Got was the narwhal eye mask, or unicorn. I like the color of it. Cloud perfume by Ariana Grande, and it has like a little cloud on the bottom, and it smells so nice. Fly clips, those butterfly hair clips, because I do like those mini little clips. They're like so good. Another thing I got for Hanukkah was the bedhead curling wand, and it's like the biggest barrel. I like it. And by the way, like, you could press the buttons for heat settings based on your hair type. Got to show you my Hanukkah PJ set. It's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!